Hey everyone, it's your boy Galang, and today we're diving into the world of RGB mechanical keyboards. We've got three top-tier keyboards, the Razer BlackWidow V4 Pro, the Corsair K100 RGB, and the Logitech G915 TKL. These are some of the most premium keyboards on the market. We're talking top-tier switches, bright RGB, dedicated macro keys, the whole shebang. Over the next few minutes, we'll break down each keyboard and figure out which one deserves the title of King of the Clicky Keys. Alright, enough chit-chat, let's get this show on the road. First up is the Razer BlackWidow V4 Pro. This thing is an absolute tank. It's got a solid, hefty feel to it. It's packed with features, Razer's optical switches, a detachable wrist rest, and enough RGB lighting to illuminate a small country. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The BlackWidow V4 Pro is on the larger side, so it might feel a bit cramped on a small desk. Plus, all those features come at a price. This thing ain't cheap. Razer's optical switches use light beams instead of metal contacts, which means faster actuation and longer lifespans. The typing experience is super smooth and responsive, with a satisfying clicky sound. Razer's Synapse software offers a ton of customization options for lighting, macros, and key remapping. Overall, the Razer BlackWidow V4 Pro is a beast of a keyboard. If you're looking for a solid, feature-packed keyboard that can handle anything you throw at it, this is definitely worth checking out. Next up we have the Corsair K100 RGB, and this thing is all about speed. If the BlackWidow V4 Pro is a tank, then the K100 RGB is a Formula One car. It's sleek, stylish, and built for performance. The standout feature is Corsair's OPX optical switches, with a 1mm actuation point and a fast response time. If you're a gamer who needs every millisecond advantage, these switches are gonna blow your mind. The OPX switches also offer a satisfying typing experience with a nice tactile bump. The K100 RGB isn't just about speed, it's got a detachable wrist rest that's incredibly comfortable. The RGB lighting is bright, vibrant, and fully customizable using Corsair's ICU software. ICU is powerful, allowing you to customize lighting, create macros, remap keys, and monitor system performance. Overall, the Corsair K100 RGB is an incredible keyboard. It's fast, feature-packed, and looks stunning. But it's also expensive, so you're gonna have to pay a premium for all that performance. And last but not least, we have the Logitech G915 TKL, the sleek assassin of the keyboard world. This keyboard is all about minimalism and portability without sacrificing performance. It's a wireless keyboard, which is a big plus, and it's incredibly thin and light. You could easily toss this thing in your backpack and take it with you wherever you go. But don't let its size fool you, this keyboard is still packing some serious heat. It uses Logitech's low-profile GL mechanical switches, designed for speed and accuracy. They have a shorter travel distance, which means faster actuation and a more responsive typing experience. The G915 TKL doesn't have a number pad, making it more compact. Despite its smaller size, it has dedicated media controls, a volume roller, and programmable keys, customizable via Logitech's G-Hub software. G-Hub is clean, intuitive, and easy to use. The real star is the wireless connectivity, using Logitech's Lightspeed wireless technology. I've been using this keyboard for a while now and I haven't noticed any lag or latency. Overall, the Logitech G915 TKL is a fantastic keyboard. It's sleek, portable, and performs like a champ. If you're looking for a high-end wireless keyboard that doesn't compromise on features or performance, this is definitely worth checking out. So there you have it, folks. 3 incredible keyboards, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Which one should you pick? Well, that's where it gets tricky. If you want a robust gaming keyboard with extensive customization and don't mind a bulkier design, the Razer BlackWidow V4 Pro is a top choice. For competitive gamers who need ultra-fast actuation and extensive controls, the Corsair K100 is a beast, but it's pricey and takes some space. And if you value a sleek wireless experience and portability, the Logitech G915 TKL offers excellent performance with a premium feel. Ultimately, your choice depends on your needs, whether it's hardcore gaming, content creation, or portability. Drop your favorite in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech comparisons. See you next time.